Blackstone is we're going to make some cheesesteak. So we're out here at Hillsboro State Park. I'm going to show you how we make our cheesesteak here at the campsite. So we're going to start off, put a little bit of olive oil on our grill, get it hot. Spread that all out. After we get our cheesesteak done, we're going to throw some shrimp on there. Should be a delicious meal. Let's get it started. So what we have is some very, very thin sliced ribeye. That's what we use for our cheesesteak. To get it super thin, when you're slicing it super thin, what you want to do is throw it in the freezer about 45 minutes before you're ready to slice it. And then that kind of firms everything up, makes it nice and hard. And then you can take a real sharp knife and you can get really, really thin slices. And the thinner you can get those slices, the better that cheesesteak is going to turn out. After we get our steak on there, it's not going to take long to cook since it's sliced really, really thin. So we're going to throw our peppers and mushrooms on there with it almost at the same time. Mix everything up good, and once all that's done, throw some shrimp on. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put our steak on there. We're going to add our peppers. And the mushrooms. We got our heat up pretty high, and we do that so this steak will sear really fast and not dry out. Once all that steak's pretty brown, then you can just mix it all together and really combine the flavors from the pepper and the steak and the mushrooms. Once your peppers start to get cooked a little bit, we're going to bring all this to the center, and we're going to put some cheese on top of it, and then we're going to mix that in with the meat and the peppers. Use 4 slices of provolone cheese. Once it starts to melt, then we're going to mix it all together. That way you get a bunch of cheese in throughout your cheesesteak. And then once we move it to our tray, then we'll add some more cheese on top. And by doing this, you're going to get cheese in every single bite of that cheesesteak. Alright, it's just about ready to come off. Alright, now we'll add some cheese on top of this. Put 4 more slices on top. And we'll just let that melt right on top. Alright, now we're going to add our shrimp. Alright, finishing up our shrimp. And a lot of questions, people asking, what can you cook on the Blackstone? Well, the answer is you can cook anything on the Blackstone. We just made cheesesteak, and we followed that up with shrimp. We're going to be making steak on here probably in a couple weeks on our next trip. We're going to bring some steaks and make those. So there's really no limit to what you can do with the Blackstone. We love it, and I'm looking forward to getting this off the grill and getting in there and eating it. Thanks for watching. You can find us on Facebook at Jouppi Outdoors, Instagram at Jouppi Outdoors. Make sure to follow our blog and subscribe at JouppiOutdoors.com. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so my dad is ready cooking up a super good dinner. I just want to eat it. The last time I had these, I loved them. They were so good. I always want to steal a shrimp, but they're hot. Where'd they go? Okay, I guess I won't steal one. But I am excited to eat some shrimp, and I can't wait to have some cheesesteak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Jouppi Outdoors. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook. Bye guys.